Yo, what's up everybody? It's Kay here, and today we're diving into the future of getting paid. We're talking about making money online every single day using the power of AI. That's right, forget waiting for a paycheck at the end of the month. These websites are changing the game. We've got 5 platforms to explore, all leveraging AI in unique ways, and the best part? You don't need to be a tech wizard or drop a ton of cash to get started. So if you're ready to upgrade your income stream with some daily payouts, buckle up, because we're about to break down the top 5 AI websites that can have you earning today. First up is Clickworker, and right off the bat, this one feels super accessible. Think of it like the Swiss Army knife of AI-powered Microtask platforms. You've got data labeling, which is basically teaching AI to understand information. Then there's AI training, where you're helping these systems learn and evolve. But it doesn't stop there. You can also get into text categorization, making sure things end up in the right digital buckets, or even image annotation, which is exactly what it sounds like, telling AI what it's looking at in pictures. The best part? Clickworker hooks you up with payments via PayPal, and you can cash out daily once you hit their minimum threshold. It's beginner-friendly, globally accessible. Honestly, this one's a solid starting point for anyone dipping their toes into the AI earning world. Next, we're shifting gears with Remotasks, and this one's for those of you who like the idea of shaping the future, specifically the future of self-driving cars. I'm talking about actually training the AI that powers autonomous vehicles. But hold up, it's not all about cars. Remotasks also lets you annotate videos, which basically means teaching AI to understand what's happening in video footage. And here's the kicker: the more tasks you crush, the more valuable your skills become, and that translates to higher pay rates. They typically pay out weekly, but some projects offer faster turnaround times depending on the task. If you're looking for a platform where you can constantly learn and level up your earning potential, Remotasks is definitely worth checking out. Alright, if you're more of the creative type, Mindsumo might be your jam. This platform is all about connecting innovative companies with bright minds like yours. Companies post challenges, often related to AI and cutting-edge tech, and they're looking for fresh perspectives, solutions, and feedback. Now here's where it gets interesting. You actually get paid for submitting your ideas. Top contributors can even earn daily depending on how well their submissions perform in these challenges. Payments go straight to your PayPal, no fuss, no muss. So if you're brimming with ideas and want to get rewarded for your ingenuity, Mindsumo is calling your name. Now this next one is a bit more exclusive, but trust me, it's worth talking about. The OpenAI contributor program is like the VIP lounge of AI earning platforms. We're talking about working with the minds behind ChatGPT and DALL-E, providing feedback that directly shapes the future of AI. Imagine being on the front lines of this technological revolution, helping to refine and improve the most advanced AI models out there. As a contributor, you'd be reviewing model outputs, spotting errors, and basically injecting your human intelligence into the AI learning process. It's invite only, so it's not the easiest to get into. But if you're lucky enough to snag a spot, you're looking at some serious earning potential with daily payouts. Last but not least, we've got Amazon Mechanical Turk, or Turk for those in the know. This one's been around for a while, and it's like the granddaddy of microtasking platforms. We're talking about a massive library of small tasks, everything from surveys and image tagging to content moderation and more. Now the pay for individual tasks on Turk can be pretty small, but the sheer volume of available work means you can rack up earnings quickly. And the best part? You can withdraw your earnings regularly, even daily depending on your balance. Turk might not be the flashiest platform on this list, but it's a reliable workhorse that's been helping people earn extra cash for years. So there you have it, 5 powerful AI websites that can put cash in your pocket every single day. Whether you're looking for quick microtasks, want to train cutting-edge AI, or dream of shaping the future of technology, there's an option out there for you. Now the real question is, which one are you going to try first? Hit me up in the comments and let me know. And hey, while you're at it, don't forget to drop a like on this video, subscribe to Smart AI Hustle, and smash that bell icon. We're serving up the hottest tips and tricks to help you leverage AI and future tech to build your dream income streams. Stay tuned because the future of earning is just getting started.